What up, you guys? Chef Billy Parisi here from billyparisi.com, and we hooking up some comfort today. I'm gonna be making an amazing chop steak, and we are gonna smother it in caramelized onions and mushrooms. Let's get it. Whenever I think of chop steak, I always remember Eddie Murphy's stand-up in Delirious, where he talks about his mom making a big old house burger and all he wanted was McDonald's. And a chop steak kind of is just a big old house burger in a way. And up until about 5 years ago, I always thought it was chop steak, C-H-O-P steak. I got it. I know it's chopped, C-H-O-P-P-E-D steak. But regardless, it's incredibly easy to make. It's delicious, and I'm gonna give you an amazing meal in under 1 hour. Your family, your guests, whoever is gonna love this, because this, my friends, is comfort at its finest. So let's not waste any time. Let's get after it. What we need to do is slice up some yellow onions. So go ahead and remove the ends off 2 medium-sized yellow onions. And then we're gonna go ahead and take off that outer layer. If you see a little bit of green, go ahead and take that layer off as well of the onion. And then we're gonna slice them about a 1/2 inch thick. Go ahead and set those to the side. And now what we wanna do is slice up some mushrooms. I've got some domestic button mushrooms. I'm gonna cut them in half just so they're nice bite-sized pieces. They're about 1.5 inches to 2 inches in diameter, just a little bit too big to eat all by themselves. And now what we need to do is form our house burgers, or chop steak, sorry. I'm gonna be using 85-15 sirloin steak. That's 85 lean, 15% fat. You still do want a good amount of fat because that adds all the flavor to the chop steak. Go ahead and form those into 4 8-ounce patties. Set them to the side on a plate or a sheet tray lined with parchment paper, whatever's easiest. We're gonna season one side with sea salt and cracked black pepper. Okay, you guys, I got a little surprise here. We're gonna hook this up and serve it up with a side of hash browns because it just sounded amazing when I was grocery shopping and wanted to make it. So, to shred some fresh Idaho potatoes, just grab that grater. We're gonna grate all of these down, and so they don't turn brown and we can get a little bit of the starch off the potatoes. We're just gonna hold them in a bowl of cold water. Go ahead and set those to the side. We're not gonna cook them yet because now we're gonna start on our chop steak. Go ahead and take everything over to the cooktop, and in a large frying pan or large saute pan over medium-high heat, what we're gonna do is add in some chopped up bacon. We're just gonna cook this bacon for about 5 to 6 minutes. We wanna get them nice and crispy brown. Once they are to this stage, let's go ahead and remove them and set them to the side in a bowl. Don't worry, we're gonna use them a little bit later. And in that rendered delicious bacon fat, add in our chopped steaks. We just want to sear these to golden brown on each side. Gonna take in between 2 and 3 minutes on medium-high heat. Do not worry about cooking them all the way through. Give them a flip, get them brown on the other side, and then all you want to simply do is set them to the side on a plate. Now in that delicious rendered bacon fat, rendered chopped steak pan, we are gonna caramelize everything. So let's add in our sliced up onions. Next, our mushrooms. We're gonna caramelize these for in between 10 and 15 minutes. No need to do a full caramelization like the 30 or 40 minutes that you may be used to doing, but we do wanna get these nice and brown, let some of those natural sugars come out, because I'm telling you, when things like onions and mushrooms caramelize, they take on a completely different flavor and are so much more delicious. Take the time to do this, my friends. You'll love it. Now go ahead and add in some beef stock. We're just gonna bring it to a boil, let it cook down for about 5 minutes, reduce that sauce, get it nice and flavorful. We're gonna add in some fresh thyme. We're gonna season it well with salt and pepper because this is gonna be our braising liquid to our chop steaks. So add those delicious pan-seared chop steaks right back into this liquid. We're gonna top off with that cooked bacon, and we're just gonna simmer it on low heat. It's gonna take in between 20 and 25 minutes to finish cooking. All those wonderful flavors are gonna fuse right into those chop steaks. This is great timing because let's go hook up those hash browns. In a separate large saute pan over medium-high heat, we're gonna add in some olive oil. Now go ahead and add in the drained shredded potatoes that we made. This is gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes, the exact same time it's going to take for our chop steak to finish, so no need to rush these. After about 5 to 6 minutes, I like to give them a little flip. You can see that they start caramelizing and turning nice and golden brown. Don't worry if you do this in sections. It doesn't have to be a perfect complete flip. Then I like to season it up with sea salt and fresh cracked black pepper. I like to flip it every 3 to 4 minutes, get it browned on all sides so that it completely cooks through. After all this time, you can see that our chopsteaks look absolutely incredible. Fast forward over to our hash browns. They look amazing. Let's plate this thing up. We're gonna lay down first a bed of hash browns. Next, we're gonna add the chopsteak right to the top of it. Now let's put some of those caramelized onions and mushrooms all over it. We're gonna drizzle on a little bit of that sauce that it was braised in. And then let's top off with some fresh chopped thyme. Boom, we are finished. Let's of course try this out. You guys, it looks amazing. It smells phenomenal in here from the caramelized onions, mushrooms, and bacon. I mean, this is the greatest of all worlds, my friends. You can put a fantastic meal in front of your friends or family in under an hour. You know I'm not all about those 30-minute recipes, but give me an hour and I will hook you and your friends and family up. I don't want to waste any time. Let's of course try some of this. It was big. Get a little shroom in there. Oh my gosh. Dude, if you don't make this, you're missing out. I mean, you're missing out on life. It is so flipping good. Of course, watch all my videos. You will love the recipes that I'm hooking up, especially if you love to cook, my friends. That's what we're all about here over on BillyParisi.com. Come back next week, see what we hook up. I'm gonna eat some more of this. Later.